Okay, today I'm going to make a Valentine's decoration, or it can be used as a wreath. All I did was I cut out a heart out of a piece of cardboard. Then you get some red ribbon, wrap the red ribbon right around it. It doesn't have to be perfect because it's going to be covered up mostly with flowers. Now, I already did a lot earlier, and I left a small piece to show what to do. So, I'm just going to add a little bit of glue. And start on that one. Okay. And you just run it around until you get it fully right around the heart. Now it might be a little hard for the points, but you figure out how to do it, like improvise. Now I'm using plastic ribbon, but I recommend you use material ribbon because it's much easier to move around, and it bends a lot easier as you're going than plastic does. The only good thing with plastic is like more shiny, more bright. It shows up better. Okay. And there's done. And you go around to the back. Snip it, and then you glue it down. There you go. Okay, now a lot of people use traditional red roses on their wreaths or decorations, but today I'm using purple instead of red. So these are the flowers I made. I chopped off the backs off them, and I put a jewel in the center, which makes them a lot cuter. And instead of going purple all around, I'm going to put a white one right at the top, and I'm also going to have a pink and white bow at the bottom to match the flower. So you just start gluing these around. Now if you can, put them close together so it makes it look more bushy, like not so sparse. Oops. These flowers are a little bit of a pain because they're so thick. They the leaves stick together when you try to pull it apart and straighten it. Try to do this quick so I don't take all day doing the wreath. And I'm going to leave a little spot for the bow to go, so I'll leave that open just at the end. glue to bow on now I think about it. Just put some glue on the back. And then push it in there. Now you don't have to put a bow here, you can just put flowers right around, but I just want to put a bow at the bottom. And I'll grab some more flowers. Okay, 2 more should do it. Now what I'm going to do for the back, I'm going to use a piece of just the leftover red ribbon and make a thing, or I could use gold cord, which I might do. And the gold cord, you can hang it up by. It's taking me so long. I'm just taking the green backs off the back of the flowers because they don't stick flat when the green plastic is on the back. It makes it stick up and it looks funny. So I'm just chopping off the green backs as I'm going. I had a lot prepped, but I was short by 1 or 2. Now, a lot of people put, like, when they're spinning the ribbon around the wreath, they'll use the red ribbon as a loop first as they're spinning, but I didn't bother to do that because I'm going to use gold cord instead. I find it stronger and it holds up better. And there's your wreath. You can see that. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to glue a piece of gold cord back here on the back, right there, and you'll be able to hang it up. Now it's nice compared to a lot that's like red roses. It's a lot prettier, I find.